wanted more airsoft clips. Well, here they are.
Hello and welcome to another video from me, Box of Demons, and another airsoft clip from my day at Driffield and Battle HQ Airsoft. In this clip you're going to see one of the last games of the day. What tended to happen was a lot of people didn't want to get into the thick of it in this game, and quite rightly so. This was very, very close quarters. There was a bar area, there was corridors, steps, and each team, the defending team and the attacking team, well, let's talk about the defenders first. They had one life each, but they had to defend the lower floor first, and then they could move up to the upper floor. The attackers, well, once they died, they could go outside for 5 to 10 seconds and then come back in. They weren't allowed upstairs until the entire downstairs floor had been cleared, and every time a defender died, he became an attacker. Now, with many people only having, let's just say, minimal face protection, I can totally understand why they didn't want to get in there first. That's the advantage of having the DI5 paintball mask that I was actually using today. You don't need to worry, especially when you've got the helmet on. So in this video, a lot of people were waiting, but Uncle Demon decided to get into the thick of it and lead the fray. I will be uploading a longer video of today, and one that won't have any commentary on it at some point, but if you would like to see some more, if you've got any questions about the gear, the kit, or anything to do with Airsoft, please do let me know. We'll also be investing in some better cameras at some point. I've got a certain one on my shopping list which is out of stock at the minute, but that will be able to enable me to have 3 cameras, which is better for editing and better for viewing. Hope you enjoy this short clip, only a little snippet. Let's get airsoft boots on the ground.
Is he dead?
Yeah.
Who? Going in, watch your fire, going in. Get in!
Move up! Push in!
Hit! That was probably going to be the end of this game. It's smoky in here, atmospheric. That's fucking cool. Actually really like it here. This is the best game so far. He's just done a flashbang on right in front of himself. Dead man coming out! Dead man coming out.
Yeah, there's a lot of our guys down there.
That's the entrance. Great day. There they are. You can see the enemy. They can't shoot us at this stage because we're in a window that's not allowed. This front door here is probably where they're going to be coming in, and you can see.
Run, Forrest, run!
Don't worry, I'm not shooting you. I'm just looking. As you can see, so all these guys here now, none of them can shoot us. I can't shoot them. Don't you dare! Don't you dare! So they've got to get in this building. You can see a lot of them there. Get back! Flashback! Interesting. So here they all are, waiting to come in. Just waiting to come in.
The marshal that stood in the doorway said it.
I don't need to tell you, but there's about 50 of them on that front door. They're throwing something in, they're throwing something in.
I think someone's throwing stuff out to be right there.
Whoa, get back, get back! We got a friendly at bottom of the steps. They're throwing something, get back.
That was nice. Yeah. They're not allowed to use mag flashes in there.
You get contact then?
Yeah. And I need a pill.
Ooh, that was close.
That is a wall. That was a good head.
Oh, eating the knackers. I got that with a ricochet off something.
Are you going upstairs?
Yeah, how do you, what?
Let's go upstairs.
Can we go down without getting shot?
Dead man coming out! Let's go upstairs. Dead player coming out! Dead player's moving!
Dead player. Woohoo! Wow, this is more like it. Amazing. Friendly. There's a lot at the bottom of the steps already inside.
Right on these steps?
Yep.
Right.
They're all at the bottom of the steps, aren't they?
Shoot out these windows, can't they?
Only blue ones. There's two there. You watch it there, he's aiming straight at us now. Two of them out there in the woods.
I like shooting from the air. But if you get to do this.
You see him there, right back. Yeah, got him again. Same bloke, yeah, on the side of the head. Oh, we got it. I got it. I'm out. Don't we go outside and pick up attackers now?
Yeah, go to the...
We're just about cleaned out downstairs.
Yeah,
I'm dead.
You'll say if he's going to swap it or if it's going to be...
Right. Dead man coming down. Dead man. Dead man. Where do we got to go now? I've lost 2 lives outside. Do I go outside? I've lost 2. I died downstairs on the stairs.
Dead man coming out! Back in 2 seconds. Head back!
Where do we go now? Where do we go?
Go back in.
Do I have to take my band off?
Are you banded?
I've 2 lives lost.
See a marshal. I'm sure about that.
I thought we joined the attacking side.
I think you probably do, I'm sure.